Hi guys. Just last weekend I was looking for an app to create a quiz for my course, and I came across this article, and I'm gonna tell you the subject of the article. It is titled "Why Did Alexis Neely File Bankruptcy?" So I said, "Oh, I know that name because I've followed her for a while on Facebook." And you know, I don't know if it's the Facebook algorithms or whatever, but I haven't heard about her or from her for a while. And so I read through the article, and I had to share this with you because this is why we do what we do. I pulled out this paragraph. It says, for example, I had no idea how to manage the financials of my business. I just knew how to make money. I made my first million in revenue in 2006, and then I ended up in 100,000 in debt. So guys, this is why we do what we do. They have been, if you follow me for a while, you know that I have told you guys that there is a lie going around in the entrepreneurial and business world that teaches you only to focus on revenues. Um, this is not going to work for business because focusing on revenues does not help you improve your bottom line. You have to focus on net profits. And I am going to put the link for the article if you want to read through the whole article. It's up to you. But I'm going to put the whole link in the just below. But I also wanted to let you guys know again about the accelerated Profitize strategies bootcamp that we have coming up on April 26th and 27th. It is 2 half days. It's 3 hours for the 20 on the 26th and 3 hours on the 27th. So you don't have to book out a whole day. I know we're all very busy. So I would encourage you to sign up for the boot camp, because this is exactly why I need to share, what we do with you guys. I need to share how you should be looking at your figures, how you should be looking at your numbers. Um, because this article blew me away, and this is exactly when I did a lot of research in a few years ago. This is why we started focusing on women entrepreneurs and helping them to profitize their businesses. So you can read the article. I'm also going to put a link to the bootcamp that's coming up, and I would love to see you in there. So have a good day. Bye.